Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my current favorite beauty products of the moment. I feel like it's been kind of difficult for me to do monthly favorites because maybe I don't have as many favorites each month. So current beauty favorites are going to be more my thing, I think. Yeah. Let's start with makeup first. Let's start with makeup. This palette right here, I have been loving. All of my eye looks in the past month have been with this eye palette. It's the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. And what I like about it is that this is really a perfect travel palette, but it's really a perfect palette overall because of all the looks you can create. You can do bold looks, everyday looks, simple, dramatic. There's shimmers, there's mattes, there's neutrals. There's so many great colors to work with. And then I say it's a great travel palette because again, you're gonna be able to do so much with the palette, but you also get this large mirror right here, which is really convenient when you're traveling to have a mirror if you're not traveling with one that you can just take with you. But anyways, I love this palette. I love the consistency of the shadows. They're really, really amazing quality. And like I said, it's been my go-to palette recently. Like all the looks I've created have been with this baby right here. And I definitely want to make some more looks for my channel using this palette because I love it so much. You guys are probably sick of me saying this, but my favorite foundation of the moment is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Now with the new shades, I have my perfect match, which is Praline, and I love this foundation. It gives you really great coverage that you can build up. It's like a medium to full coverage foundation, but it doesn't look like you're wearing a lot of makeup. It gives you kind of like this natural, like you were born this way kind of look. It's a great foundation. It's oil-free. It gives you full coverage. It feels really nice on your skin as well. Like it doesn't feel heavy at all, and that's something that I really like. And it's long lasting, which is another thing that's important to me because I have oily skin. I feel like some products don't last as long as on me, but this one is super long lasting, and it's been the foundation that I like fully trust, that I know no matter what conditions I'm gonna be in, if I have to be out all night, I know this foundation has got my back. This next product is something that's not new, but it's new to me. This is the Morphe setting spray. I love this setting spray. Clearly, I love all the products that I'm gonna be sharing today, but I love this setting spray because it has such a fine mist. It's almost like it's a hairspray. Like, let me just, do you see? I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's such a fine mist, which is really important because when you're using setting sprays after you do your makeup, it's the final step and you don't want to mess up with the final steps. And in the past, there have been setting sprays that I use that the water just sprays out too thick, and then I'm left with like a whole bunch of water spots all over my face, which is not cute. So what I like about this is that it's such a fine mist. It doesn't mess up your makeup. It goes on really lightly. If you like to put on a lot of setting spray like I do, it's not gonna be too much for you. And it smells really good. I love this stuff. This is probably gonna be one of the products that I pick up over and over and over again. Also by Morphe, this is another product that I recently picked up from them and I've been using like every single day. This is one of their lip liners, and the shade specifically that I'm in love with is called Sweet Tea. I'm wearing it right now, and it's the perfect nude for me, like for my skin tone. Like if you're more like on the medium tan kind of skin tone, this is a really great lip liner because it's not too brown where it's like too dark. I don't know how to explain it. It's just such a really pretty light color. I'll swatch it for you guys to see. I really like it. And then on top of the color, I really like the consistency of this lip liner. It glides on and it's really pigmented, which I really appreciate. And the best part of it all, it's only like $3, I believe. Another lip product that I am loving is this lip mask. This is by LANEIGE, and it's a lip sleeping mask. I honestly just use it as a lip balm all day long, but it is a sleeping mask. You wake up with super soft lips, which I love, especially since I wear a lot of like different lipsticks. And you guys, it just smells so damn good. So good, and it comes with a ton of product. Like this whole tub is filled with product. For brows, I have been using this nonstop. This is the Kat Von D 24-hour Super Brow Pomade. I use the shade Medium Brown. And the reason I picked this up is because my brows kept like disappearing. Not disappearing, but like the brow product kept just going away in the heat. Like this area would just get so oily that the brow products that I was using before would just kind of disappear. So I needed something that was gonna withstand the heat. And this stuff is it right here. Like it doesn't budge. My brows look perfect the entire day until I take it off at night and wash my face. But I really love this stuff, and it's really easy to work with as well. It's super creamy and it just glides right onto your brows. This is another product that I've been using nonstop. I actually have already hit pan. Like, I haven't even had this product for that long, and I feel like I just abuse it. The title, like the name of the product, is already like wiped off, and I have already hit pan, like majorly hit pan. This is a bronzer by IT Cosmetics. I believe it's a newer product of theirs. It's called Bye Bye Pores Bronzer, and the shade that I have is called Beach. And I don't know, I feel like it's such a perfect bronzer. It gives me like a really beachy glow, and it's also really great for your pores because it's gonna minimize your pores. So anytime a makeup product also works kind of as skincare, it wins me over for sure. And it smells good. It smells like the beach. I'm not even kidding, it smells like the beach. Another product that gives me a really great glow is my Loving Tan Bronzing Mousse. I've been using the 2 Hour Express Bronzing Mousse, and I use the dark one because I like a really dark tan. And I love this stuff, you guys. It's so easy to use. The color, I really like the color that you get, because some self-tanners, you don't get such a great color, like it looks a little weird. But this one is perfect for me. And I like the 2 Hour Express because I don't have to wait that long. What I do normally at night, I'll just apply this, and 2 hours later I shower and I'm good to go to bed. And I swear to you guys, I used this last night and I showered, I was tan, and then this morning I felt like I woke up even a little bit more tan. I don't know if it was in my head, but I felt like I woke up a little bit more tan even though I had already washed the product off. But again, I really love this stuff. I have the regular one as well, but this 2 Hour one has really been my favorite thing lately. Okay, this next product I'm obsessed with. I'm already almost done, and I picked this up not even a month ago, I wanna say. It's by the brand called PINROSE, and I randomly just saw it at Sephora. I tried it out in the store and I was like, oh my God, I need this. It's a Secret Genius Shimmer Mist. It literally is just a body shimmer mist, and I wear it like every day. I don't know if the camera will pick it up because it's such a light, shimmery effect that it gives your skin. Like, it's not like overpowering, like you're covered in glitter. It's very fine, shimmery mist, and it's so pretty. Like when you wear shorts or a dress, or you're showing like your chest area and your arms, it makes your skin look so pretty. It makes your skin glow, and it smells really amazing. It's like this vanilla scent, but with something else. I can't really put my finger on it, but it just smells so good. So a lot of times when I use it, I kind of just double it up as my fragrance because it just smells amazing. And then lastly, I have 2 skincare products that I want to share with you guys that I'm obsessed with. The first one is my cleanser. This is by Fresh, and this is the Soy Face Cleanser. They recently came out with like a limited edition jumbo size, and it's the best thing ever because I can't get enough of this cleanser. I don't know what it is. It's such a simple cleanser, if that makes any sense. Like, there's no foaming to it. There's no like crazy smell. It's very clean and light. My skin looks and feels really great, and I feel like it has to do a lot with this cleanser. And then lastly, I've been using this product day and night. I believe it's really more for the daytime, and there's like a matching product, like a moisturizer that goes for the nighttime, but I've just been using the day one. I'm using it day and night, really. It's by Ole Henriksen, and this is their Glow Cycle Retin ALT Power Serum. And it has like a purple consistency to it that gives your skin this really pretty glow. It gives it like a luminous finish, and then on top of that, your skin just feels amazing. Like, this product is really new to me, you guys. Like, I've been using it for maybe 2 weeks, and it has already like dramatically changed the way my skin has been looking. And I noticed it instantly. Like the first day and the second day that I was using this, I was like, oh my God, like this stuff is really making a difference. Like, my skin felt like more plump, it felt a lot more glowy, and the texture of my skin felt a lot different. Like, it was super soft, like in a different way that I've never felt before. I am obsessed with this product. Like, all right guys, these were all of the products that I have been loving. If you guys have any questions on any of them, I'm gonna list all the products down below so you guys can check them out for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you don't leave without subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.